TobyGames highlights.
I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Just to be safe, let me light a bright light in the middle of the hallway like an idiot. Okay, shh, 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 shh. Okay, shh, shh, shh. Oh God, oh God, oh God, what have I done? Oh God, oh God, oh God. I'm totally telling him where I am. He's just gonna laugh. He's gonna be like, haha. And I'm gonna be like, oh God, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. I was already here. I'm fine. I'm fine. That means there's no more. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can smell him. Oh my God. I can smell him. Oh my God. He's coming. Oh my God. He's still coming. Oh my God. I'm dead. Oh my God. I went to a dead end. I'm an idiot. Dead end. Bad idea. Bad idea, Buskus. Oh my God. In here. In here. Oh jeez. Oh my God. I don't want the roaches on my eyes. Oh God. Oh God. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm fainting. I'm dead. I'm dead. Pull out your stupid lantern, you idiot. Tell the monster where you are, you idiot. Oh God. Stand that. That's right. Oh God. Don't look at him, you stupid. Hide. Over here this time. Good job. Good thinking. Oh my God. I totally told him where I was. I flickered my bedroom light and he's all... What an idiot. Oh man. I got out of that situation. Alright. Oh man, sounds in this game. Kinda wanna just turn him off. I don't need him to breathe for me. I freaking breathe. Oh Jesus. Oh gee. Oh, I'm dead. 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 I'm so dead. Gonna kill me real fast. Oh God. Did he calm down? I hear you. Maybe he's thirsty for acid. Do monsters drink acid? Or what? Is that like vitamin death or something? Am I safe? What's a monster's memory span like? Did he totally forget that I was just singing a Star-Spangled Murder banner? Okay. All right. So he opened the door and he was like, "Oh, I guess he disappeared. I'm kind of an idiot." No offense, monster. Oh, you guys all need to read the Bible. You're dead. It's too late. Oh, sweet God. Sweet. That's when you gotta pause it.